How to set your featured photos to only me on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can set your featured photos to only me on Facebook. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we want to do is simply make sure we have actually updated the Facebook app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, type in Facebook and go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Facebook, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you could basically see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. What we want to do is, from the top left hand side of the screen, simply tap on your profile icon. Once you tap on your profile picture, you're going to be taken to your profile page, and as you tap on your profile page, you're going to scroll down a little bit until you get to the featured section right over here. Now you want to understand that if I actually tap on it, and then if I tap on the three dots, you can see we don't have any type of options to actually edit the privacy of featured photos on Facebook. Now if you actually want to change the privacy to only me, what you can do is actually simply delete the featured photos, because no one else would actually be able to see it. Featured photos are meant to be set to public, so there is no way that you could actually set it to only me. If you want to hide it from the general crowd, you could simply go ahead and delete it. Now let's say that you don't want people to see your photos outside the featured app, outside this featured section. What you could do is simply tap on it and then tap on the three dots, and then you could tap on edit featured collection, and you could simply change the thumbnail or maybe a cover photo of featured photos so that people may not want to click on it. It could be a generic image. It doesn't have to be a photo which is yours. You could go ahead and simply upload a generic image to hide it from the general public. These were simply some of the ways on how you can work on the only me featured photo settings on Facebook. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.